In this quick and very simple tutorial, I'll show you how you can upload an ebook to Esri on Gumroad. So first, you want to head over to gumroad.com and then click Start Selling. And if you haven't already, go ahead and create your account. So with Gumroad, you can sell completely for free. They just take a fee. So click Start Selling and join with any of these social medias, or you can enter in an email and password and create your account. Once you've created your account, you can then start to customize your profile and complete all of the steps that Gumroad wants you to complete. But we're going to skip all of this, and I'm just going to show you how you can upload an ebook, since that's what you came for. So go to Products, and what you can do, you can go ahead and click on a new product. I'm just going to delete this product I already have. So go New Product, then enter in the name of your product. I'll just call it here eBook for the sake of the video. You then want to choose Digital Product, because an ebook is probably going to be given in a PDF format. Alternatively, you can just choose eBook, but any of these two are going to work because they are both digital downloads. For the video though, I guess we'll just go with eBook. Then you can enter in your price as well as the currency you want to sell in. I just click here USD, and I'll put my ebook at $100. After we've done that, we can go to Next. Now we're going to be able to customize the product page, including the name, the description, and the URL. If you're happy with all of this and you've basically entered this already, then just skip this part. I'll just create a quick custom URL, and let's hope that that is available. You can also upload a cover if you want. Covers can be designed in Canva. I've got many videos showing you how to design images in Canva as well as thumbnails. But for now, let's save and continue. Now you want to head over to the Content section, and to upload your ebook, click on this Upload Insert File icon. This is important. Then go Computer Files, and then find your ebook. I'll just pretend like this PDF is my ebook. We can click Open. Now wait for this to upload. Make sure this is at 100%. And once it is, you'll be able to then publish and continue. Now you've got your ebook uploaded. Now you can copy the URL. Here is that URL, and people can now start buying this ebook. You won't be able to accept payments until you add your payment methods to Gumroad. So go ahead and go to Gumroad, go to Settings, go to Payments, and then link either a bank account or Stripe. Note these are the fees. Add your bank account, and that's all we need to do.